ROKU stock analysis and ROKU stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing here, just showing you my exact play and everything. This is for Tuesday and onwards. And as the only guy in the space with 42,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. ROKU Incorporated, man, it's such a freaking, yeah, it's a bullish range for sure. Like, I was willing to, I mean, it was all over the place, but I'll be deleting some sort of stuff here because it's just, I mean, this -1 hour is going to be capped as a receipt. Then I even got this, you know, here, let me just, some previous W's, +3R win. Gotta get rid of all that. I'm generally just looking to double down on this, buy more. So if it does not pull down sort of way, you know, I have this demand zone, there's just no way I'm looking to buy, really. So that's how it's still sitting at. If it doesn't pull down and shows me any sort of double break, I'm not buying whatsoever. So that's this. If you do want to learn, oh my, this is the top of my range. And if you do want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, cap my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.